How do you find the area of a circle? Have you ever wondered how to calculate the space inside a circle? It might seem tricky at first, but once you know the steps, it becomes quite simple. Let's break it down together. To find the area of a circle, you need either the radius or the diameter. The radius is the distance from the center of the circle to its edge. The diameter is the distance across the circle, passing through the center. The most common formula to use is area equals pi times the radius squared. Pi is a special number, approximately equal to 3.14 or 22 divided by 7. When you see radius squared, it means you multiply the radius by itself. For example, if the radius is 5 units, the area would be pi times 5 times 5, which equals 25 pi square units. If you only know the diameter, you can easily find the radius by dividing the diameter by 2. After that, you can use the same formula for area. Alternatively, there is another formula you can use directly with the diameter. It is area equals pi divided by 4 times the diameter squared. This comes from substituting the radius as diameter divided by 2 into the first formula. Now, if you happen to know the circumference, which is the distance around the circle, you can find the area using a different formula. The area equals the circumference squared divided by 4 pi. This uses the relationship between circumference and radius, where circumference equals to pi times the radius. Understanding these formulas is helpful because they allow you to measure the space inside the circle. This concept is useful in many everyday situations. For instance, you might need to calculate the surface area of a round table, the size of a circular garden, or how much material you need to cover a circular object. To summarize, first identify the radius or diameter of the circle. If you have the radius, use area equals pi times radius squared. If you have the diameter, use area equals pi divided by 4 times diameter squared. If you know the circumference, use area equals circumference squared divided by 4 pi. Remember, pi is the constant that connects all these measurements and is essential for calculating the area accurately. With these formulas in hand, you can confidently tackle any problem involving circles.